Greetings, Alexei here with another update on OpenApocalypse. First of all, fonts are in the game, new fonts by Krammerer. All thanks go to him for his amazing work. So, for example, if we change our locale and restart the game, so here we are in Russian, and here we are in German. So basically, yep, fonts are in the game, and like all the languages which already have translations for them. English, German, Spanish, French, Italian, Polish, I think, Portuguese, they all should work properly. So the fonts are in, and now languages that require special letters can be played. Yeah. So as you might notice, we have ground vehicles. They are not fully implemented yet, like they only drive on the bottom of the road. So if we go here and let's launch a tank. So they drive on the bottom right side of the road, but they properly pathfind around the roads. They can go up the slopes. Like, is there a slope in the Novi City? I don't know. Yeah, let's show it on the Superman map, because that map has some cute roads like here. So yeah, ground vehicles, as you can see, they're going around. For now, they don't know how to like drive on the right side of the street, but they will eventually. For now, at least, like we have them, and they actually like move properly, as you can see. And they also know how to fire, and they follow the targets and so on. So let's make him attack this bike. So the tank will turn towards the bike, the tank will fire at the bike, and so on. Next thing, basically before, the vehicles which you saw in the city were just randomly generated and they just moved randomly. Now this system is implemented properly, so you can implement vehicle missions and you can give missions to organizations so that organizations behave like they're supposed to. I don't really know like if it's well studied how vanilla worked, so I just implemented some missions I kind of thought of, like for example cargo convoys go around which belong to Transtellar, and like government sends around rescue vehicles and construction vehicles, and like organizations send people around on like bikes and civilian cars. Police patrols all the time, like police constantly sends out police cars to patrol the city. And there are also things like police raids, like this happens somewhere around 10 minutes, but the police, the police will send out like a lot of police cars, and these police cars will go towards a building which is hostile to police and raid it, and so on and so forth. So now the vehicle parks are also in the game, so organizations, they actually get the vehicles they're supposed to get. Again, not really sure if the system is properly studied already. When it is, we can change the current system by just editing the files. But basically the system is in the game, like the framework is inside the game, and all we need is just if someone like studies how the vanilla worked and says, okay, like organizations should have these vehicles and organizations should behave like this, then like we can fix it to whatever this person finds. But for now you can set up, you can like assign what organizations attempt to like have what kind of vehicle park, and you can then tell them what to do with it, like what missions they should send people on. Okay, like cult of what This is Graphball League and we're hostile to it. Why is Graphball hostile to us? I don't know. Anyways, something strange. Maybe yes. That's because we fired our weapon around here a lot. And we seem to have hit their building here several times. So now they don't really like us that much. Okay. So now when we know, we can easily change it and like give organizations proper missions, but for now, like police constantly sends around patrol cars and so on and so forth. And yeah, like here you can see one vehicle, like basically a road on top of another vehicle. As I said, this is just a stub. It will eventually be a proper system where vehicles will properly like move in their own lane and will give way and will like overtake other vehicles and so on and so forth. But for now at least there's this and it works and the vehicles can get around to their destinations easily. Okay, is there something else to talk about? Give me a second. Okay, I think that's actually it. Okay, so that's it for today's update. As usual, this version will be uploaded to AppWare once all the checks pass and you can get it and play it for yourself. Thank you very much for watching and see you again. Goodbye.